Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're looking at another case from Caseology for your Google Pixel 3 XL. Whatever. This is the Vault Series case. So let's start the video. Show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have another case from Caseology. This is the Vault Series case. If you guys are interested in the packaging, you can definitely check this out. Pause it and read it for yourself. So, simple packaging, and I actually picked this up from a Slick Deals app. Pretty cheap, but it will do the job, hopefully. So, just check it out. So, you do have a thank you card that they include with a lot of their cases. We're happy to have you in the club, Caseology cases, blah, blah, blah. Toss that to the side. So, here's the case itself. It almost has like a leatherish type look in the back because it has this ultimate grip. I'm talking about this grip is hard to catch on camera, but as you guys can see, it has a material that's very different, and that material is all over the side, so you definitely will have a lot of grip and you have something to hold on to. Like, it's not slippery at all. So this is more for like the rugged type look. So if you guys check out the logo, you can definitely see that. Let's go into the inside. You do have your shock absorption pattern. Let's try to get into focus here. This is going crazy. So, Caseology cases right there. Vault Series for Google. So, let's just pop this baby in. I'm not going to make this a super long video. So, you guys let me know. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. You know, say, had like that Oreo combo, you could say. But I'm definitely loving the look of it. See if we could get into the front here. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the Vault Series case for your Pixel 3 XL. Let me know if you guys are thinking about picking this up down in the comments below. Everything looks pretty good. The lip action is on point. Let's see how it looks in the front. Definitely is pretty good as well. So you guys let me know what you guys think about the Vault Series case for your Pixel 3 XL. That thing looks pretty good. The grip on this is pretty amazing. I haven't felt this type of material on a case in a very long time, and the price is pretty cheap too. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Google Pixel 3 XL and more cases to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.